Volume 1. It's Likewise, Wise Up Volume 1. It's out right now, go cop it, my son. I don't know who fathered your flow, but nobody did mine, so I'm so unique, yo. 88, baby, running crazy. I'm with the hip hop made me. Nah, I'm on another dance craze. I'm coming through, nigga, you know my flow is so John Blaze. He got tight pants legs, nah, I'm chill, I'm sagging, I let my balls breathe. I likewise smoke the trees, then breeze, cause I'm trying to count mad cheese. So, on the microphone, I know I gotta come harder and harder on the mic. Look me up like the Encarter, niggas know me. Likewise coming through, show me. On the iTunes, Rhapsody, niggas holler at me. 88 cents a song, niggas calling me right now. Who the fuck is this? It's Jason, but I'm not around. Cause Likewise coming through on the mic, penetrating through the fucking sound. Your earlobe, cranium cracking, I'm coming through. Your niggas is not even a fraction to what I'm gonna do. So what you wanna do? Check microphone 1, 2. The way I lay down the flow is the truth. You know, I spit ill in the booth. Somebody parking up behind the whipper. Likewise coming through on the mic, it's the sticker. So give it up quick. Likewise coming through, you know my flow is sick. You ain't touching me. Likewise coming through on the mic, knocking niggas out 1, 2, 3. And it's like that. Wise Up Volume 1, and it's like that. Hip hop, and it's right here. It's quite clear, it's my year. You heard? It's quite clear, it's my year. Wise up.
Oh, that's fine.
Yo, tell Bob to get his hoop. Nah.